Hello and welcome to everyone. In this video, we will discuss that how can we measure the physical dimensions of a breath sample using a software called ImageJ, which is freely available in the internet. So first, what we will do is, let's say that this is our image. What we'll do is, we'll simply drag and drop here in this particular image, right? So now the image will be loaded. Now, in order to take any measurement, we have to go for the line tool, that is called the straight or segmented or freehand lines. And then we'll go to the image, we'll maximize this image by using this button. And then we have to understand that first we have to set the scale in which the measurement is to be done. Remember that whenever we are doing the measurement of any breath sample, the scale, that is the length which spans the entire breath area, must be taken into account whenever we are taking any measurement for the breath sample. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll maximize this area like this picture using our mouse tool, and then we'll simply drag and drop, like we'll drag the line. Now this line is very important because it sets a best baseline for our measurements wherever and whatever we want to do, depending on our experiments or depending on our analysis. So I will drag it to here. Quickly we have to check it out how much it is. So we will simply drag, and we should always try to draw a straight line. Let's say it's 18.5. So I'll do one thing. I'll just go here. So it's I think 18.7, right? 18.7. So this is curved, but somewhat it's straight line. So we will assume it around 18.7. So what we will do is now we have to go for analyze. Now we will go for set scale. Okay, and the window will appear. Now this distance in pixels represents that from the 0 point to the 18.6 point, how much is the distance between the 2 points. Okay, now here what we will do, we have already known that this is 18.6, so we will write 18.7, sorry, 88%. Pixel aspect ratio is same, and unit is centimeter. Okay, global, and okay. Now if we want to measure the length of the breath sample, now what we'll do is we will simply go to the image. Okay, and we will what we'll do is we will simply try to, okay, so now our image has come to the normal size. Now what we will do, we will go for control shift and the left click. So we will click on the line, and then we'll go for the control shift, and we'll simply drag the line. Okay, clear? So after we drag the line, we will go to analyze and then measure. So this come. Now if we want to take more measurements, we will simply look into the keyboard. We will press control shift, we will go to the edge, and then using left click we will again drag a line. Okay, and then we'll go for control M. So we can do either analyze and that, and or we can use control M for mango. Clear? Again, suppose we want to go for another this part of the bread. So what we'll do, control shift, and then simply we will drag a line and drop it here, and then control M. So in this way we can calculate that the entire length of the bread using ImageJ. Why it's accurate? Because we are digitally processing, or we are digitally analyzing the particular length using image software. Now simply in order to explore, what we'll do, we'll go to file. Okay, we'll go to save as. So let's say that this is results. So let's take it in desktop. So it's already saved, and now if you open this file, we will see that the entire length is there. So now you can basically plot the average and standard deviation, and you can do whatever experiments you want based on a need and requirement of the researcher. So in this way, in a simple tool or in a simple manner, we can understand and we can calculate. So this message will come basically. So this is our message where the length data has already come into action. That is why we are getting area, mean, minimum, maximum, and angle